In this video, I'll show you how to quickly integrate ActiveCampaign with Leadpages so your leads flow automatically into your email lists. First, log into your ActiveCampaign account. From the top right menu, go to Settings, then open Developer. Here you'll find your API URL and API key. Copy both carefully, as these are required to connect ActiveCampaign with Leadpages. Next, open Leadpages in your browser and log in. From your dashboard, go to My Account, then click Integrations. Scroll through the list and select ActiveCampaign. Paste the API URL and API key you copied earlier into the required fields, then click Connect. Once saved, your ActiveCampaign account is officially linked with Leadpages. Now it's time to connect your forms. Open an existing landing page or create a new one in Leadpages. Click on the form element, then go to Integrations in the form settings. From the drop-down, choose ActiveCampaign and select the list or form where you want new leads to be added. Make sure the form fields like name and email are correctly mapped to the matching fields in ActiveCampaign. Adjust them if needed, then save and update your page. That's it. Your ActiveCampaign and Leadpages integration is now live, and every new lead from your landing pages will be sent straight into your email marketing system automatically.